Good afternoon. This is a short video on how to make such a beautiful and unique QR code in 3 minutes using AI. Firstly, open up the huggingface.co website and search for QR code AI art generator in Spaces, or follow the link in the description. Here we see two basic fields, a link to your site and a prompt to generate an image. You can specify a negative prompt if you want. Let's try it. Enter link, youtube.com, and some sort of prompt to generate a beautiful picture of a desert with rivers. The rest of the settings cannot touch. Press run and wait. Here we see the result. Let's test it with your phone. As you can see, the Google Lens will recognize the QR code. That's all. I hope this video was useful for you. I will be grateful for any feedback in the comments. And yes, this video is voiced by AI too. Bye.